The birth of Earth's continents, seas, and oceans. The camera slowly travels through deep space toward the newborn Earth 4.5 billion years ago. The planet is completely molten, glowing orange and red with gigantic oceans of lava covering its surface. Massive volcanoes erupt continuously, throwing ash and magma thousands of kilometers into the atmosphere. Countless asteroids and meteorites strike the planet, creating enormous explosions that illuminate space. Thick black smoke and glowing lava dominate the landscape. The atmosphere is toxic, dense, and filled with volcanic gases. No water, no continents, and no life exist. Camera. Slow cinematic orbit around Earth, close-up flyovers of lava oceans and asteroid impacts. Scene 2. Earth begins to cool. 0:30 to 1 o'clock, millions of years pass rapidly in a cinematic time-lapse. The glowing lava slowly darkens as Earth's surface cools. A thin rocky crust begins forming over the molten interior while cracks expose rivers of magma beneath. Volcanoes continue erupting, releasing huge amounts of steam, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and other gases into the atmosphere. Thick clouds gradually cover the entire planet. Camera. Aerial flyovers transitioning into close-up shots of cooling lava and volcanic eruptions. Scene 3. The endless rain. 1 o'clock to 1:40. The atmosphere becomes cooler. Thick clouds completely surround Earth. Suddenly, torrential rain begins to fall across the planet. Rain continues not for days, but for millions of years. Rivers of water rush across volcanic landscapes. Steam rises where rain contacts hot rocks. Valleys and enormous basins gradually fill with water. The first primitive oceans and seas begin forming. At the same time, icy comets and water-rich asteroids collide with Earth, delivering additional water from the outer solar system. Camera. Wide cinematic shots of global rainfall, slow-motion impacts of icy comets, dramatic aerial views of rising oceans. Scene 4. The hidden forces beneath the oceans. 1:40 to 2:20. Travel beneath the newly formed oceans into Earth's interior. Gigantic convection currents move slowly inside the mantle. Massive tectonic plates drift across the planet. Plates collide violently while others separate, creating enormous underwater mountain ranges. Deep ocean trenches form as one plate sinks beneath another. Powerful underwater volcanoes erupt continuously, building mountains from the ocean floor. Camera. Cross-sectional cinematic visualization showing Earth's interior, mantle convection, and moving tectonic plates. Scene 5. Birth of the first continents. 2:20 to 2:50. Underwater volcanoes continue building layer after layer of solid rock. Some volcanic mountains finally rise above sea level, creating the first islands. Over hundreds of millions of years, these islands collide and merge into larger landmasses. Vast rocky terrains slowly emerge from the oceans. The first primitive continents are born while waves crash against newly formed coastlines. Camera. Time-lapse showing islands merging into growing continents from space and aerial perspectives. Scene 6. The supercontinent Pangaea. 2:50 to 3:20. Time accelerates again. All continents slowly drift together until they become one enormous supercontinent known as Pangaea. Endless mountain ranges stretch across a single massive landmass surrounded by one gigantic global ocean. Deserts, volcanic regions, and ancient coastlines cover the supercontinent. Camera. Satellite view slowly zooming out to reveal the complete supercontinent. Scene 7. The Great Separation. 3:20 to 3:50. Deep beneath Pangaea, mantle currents begin pulling the supercontinent apart. Huge cracks open across the land. Lava rises from below. Oceans flood the widening rifts. The Atlantic Ocean gradually opens between the separating continents. Africa moves away from South America while North America separates from Europe. India begins its long journey northward toward Asia. Australia drifts away from Antarctica. Camera. Space view with smooth time-lapse animation of continental drift over millions of years. Scene 8 Earth today, 3:50 to 4 o'clock. The animation transitions smoothly into present-day Earth viewed from space. Blue oceans, green continents, white clouds, and polar ice caps dominate the planet. The continents continue moving slowly, only a few centimeters each year. The sun rises over Earth, illuminating the beautiful blue planet against the darkness of space. Camera. Slow cinematic orbit around modern Earth ending with sunrise over the horizon.